wish I could remember what I was going to tell you. I wish you weren't so forgetful. I think I need some kind of system to help me remember things. Why don't you make notes on your phone? I would, but it's not working very well. I need to buy a new one. I wish I had more money. I wish you'd stop complaining. I wish I'd studied harder when I was younger. Why do you say that? Because if I had, I might not have to make these videos with you. I have some regrets as well. I wish I hadn't asked you to be my assistant. And I wish I'd said no. Okay. Well, you heard quite a few examples with wish in that conversation. But what does it mean, and how do we use it? We can use wish for things which we would like to be different in the present or future. It's used for things which are impossible or very unlikely. In the conversation, you heard these examples. I wish I could remember what I was going to tell you. I wish you weren't so forgetful. I wish I had more money. You'll notice that with wish, we use the past simple to talk about the present. Here are some more examples. I can't read a thing. I wish I had better eyesight. I wish I could speak Spanish. It would be really useful for traveling. I wish I didn't have to work tomorrow. If you use the verb to be, you can use were instead of was. For example, I wish I were taller. I wish he were able to help. We use wish with would to talk about actions which other people are doing or not doing which we don't like. You heard these examples in the conversation at the beginning of this video. I wish you'd stop complaining. Here are some other examples. I wish you wouldn't leave the empty milk carton in the fridge. I wish it would stop raining. I wish the neighbours would be quiet. We can use wish to talk about past regrets. We saw earlier that if you want to use wish to talk about the present, you use the past simple. So if you want to talk about the past, you use the past perfect. We saw these examples earlier in the video. I wish I'd studied harder when I was younger. I wish I hadn't asked you to be my assistant. I wish I'd said no. Here are some more examples. I wish I had travelled more when I was young. I wish you had told me about the problem before I went home. I wish I had practiced more before my driving test. Now you know what wish means and how it works, it's your turn. Write your own examples in the comments. One in the present, one in the past, and one with would. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.